The Shark's Christmas. In the point of view of a shark. I don't even want to go to Christmas parties. Like, what is even the point? Like, I don't even like Christmas that much. Like, I don't know. It's kind of boring. But I might just go for the food. Whatever. It's Christmas. Oh, look, a present. Oh, look, another present. Huh? Who are you?
That is none of your concern. You need to give back your present.
Look, there. Oh, God.
Yay, another holiday saved.
The end. There might be end credits, though. Crew, David and Kyle.
Welcome to the end credits. Enjoy.
So how was it being on a major Lego film? Well, I thought it was pretty good. It wasn't hard or anything, but I think I'll get some good recognition while I'm like walking down the streets of NYC or something. But